me naive, but I've been shocked by the surge in gun sales and ammunition sales during the coronavirus. Apparently, there's always a surge in gun sales when there's a crisis and people are panicked. I'm a little scared, and you may be too. Here's what I suggest we do. Let's replace panic with presence. Let's replace guns with generosity. First, breathe. When we breathe deeply, when we breathe consistently, it's almost impossible to feel panicked. Try it. And I bet it's also impossible to pull a trigger of a gun when you're not breathing deeply or consistently. But what do I know? Next, set a daily intention. One of the things that the coronavirus has taught us is that sometimes it's impossible to plan for tomorrow, but it is possible to plan for today by setting a daily intention. It may sound something like, today, the most important thing for me to do is fill in the blank. Or today, the way I want to show up is fill in the blank. And finally, be extra generous. Here's a chance for all of us to listen closely to what our friends, our family, and our coworkers need, and to be generous with our resources. Listen, if I hog all the hand sanitizers in the world and all the masks, the world's just going to be in worse shape. So let's reach out, let's be generous. I guess you've already reached out to your core network, but let's challenge ourselves to reach out to our secondary networks. And if we've done that already, here's a challenge to reach out to our tertiary networks. So stay present, stay generous, stay healthy, and have a blast.